It would be apposite here to have a glance at the procedure for passing the decree of divorce by mutual consent by the trial court under Section 13-B of the Act. Both parties have to move a joint petition before court stating therein that they are residing separately for a period of 1 year or more, and they have not been able to reside together, and they have mutually agreed that the marriage should be dissolved. The court registers the case and keep the matter pending for second motion by the parties after 6 months or more, but not later than 18 months, if the case is not withdrawn in the meantime. After 6 months or more but not later than 18 months, on the motion of both the parties, the court shall, on being satisfied, after hearing the parties and after making such enquiries as it deems fit, that a marriage has been solemnized and that the averments in the petition are true, pass a decree of divorce by mutual consent. In terms of Section 25 of the Act, for granting the relief of permanent alimony, the court has to consider the respondent's own income and other property, if any, the income and other property of the applicant, the conduct of the parties, and other circumstances of the case. It may seem to the court to be just. In the cases of decree of restitution of conjugal rights, decree of judicial separation, decree of nullity of marriage, and decree of divorce under Section 13 of the Act, it would be very easy for the court to consider the aforementioned parameters for passing the order for permanent alimony at the time of passing the decree, even by oral prayer made to it, as the court had an opportunity to observe the conduct of the parties, to examine the oral and documentary evidence before the court with regard to the financial stability of the parties and other attending circumstances between the parties. However, in case of decree by mutual consent, if a relief for permanent alimony is sought by one of the parties, there is no occasion for the court to observe the conduct of the parties, to examine their financial stability and other circumstances of the case to pass any order of permanent alimony at the time of passing of decree of divorce by mutual consent. In such cases, the party claiming the right of permanent alimony must bring before the court the financial status of other side and other relevant circumstances for consideration of the court. The question of mode and manner of application is immaterial. What is essential? The court should be able to comprehend the financial position and conduct of both the parties to pass any order of permanent alimony, though the relief is incidental to the main relief. In the case in hand, undisputedly, the appellant narrated the financial status of the respondent husband in her affidavit before the court, and she prayed to keep open the issue of permanent alimony for its consideration later on. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this one. Hit that notification bell to stay updated with the latest tips and tricks to succeed in your exams. Stay connected with us on social media for additional resources and updates. Join our Telegram group https://t.me/Lakshyasteno. For any query, WhatsApp on 99915607999.